Chapter: Color Balancing. Module: Fine-tuning the artwork, Part 1. Welcome friends. Add little white color. Mix yellow ochre to it and mix them well. Take sufficient color and start creating the effects. Patience and overall knowledge of color scheme is the key factor for exceptional result. The manner of brush handling would totally depend upon the practices of the individual. Even you may handle the brush like this. This is very interesting subject to learn. Thorough practice would help to handle the brush smooth. We will make the color a little light by mixing white. Apply in the midst of blue and yellow ochre layers. It is essential to show the merging effects. There should be continuity among the colors. Here, it seems the colors are not well balanced. Let's take permanent rose and little white color. Mix the colors well. Kindly observe carefully. I hope you are practicing along with me. We will add more white to make the color light. Also, add little permanent rose. Take sufficient color on the brush. The patterns would be effective only when we execute it with more color. Follow my hand movements carefully. Mix more of white color so that the color can be lighter. Let's highlight few parts on the face. You must be aware of the light formation before highlighting. Handle the brush this way to form a straight line. Very smooth touch would be enough to get the feel. Observe carefully. I hope you are enjoying. Follow the techniques for creating the patterns. We will mix more permanent rose. Add little amount of burnt sienna. Now the color becomes dark. Carefully apply the color on this potion. Color balancing is the most significant job in painting. To be familiar with color balancing, you may refer to the course level Color Theory, Color Balancing. We will continue with this technique in the next module. View this video multiple times. Practice several times to be thorough with the concepts. Thank you.